Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In this tutorial, we're going to look how to go through all of the tracks and all of the events on the track and check to see if it's a selected event. And if it's a selected video event, we want to change the alpha channel on how it looks to see the alpha channel for that particular event. This can be particularly useful if you've added some files that have an alpha channel, but for some reason they've come up with none as the alpha channel format. Then you can change them all to the format that you want, and there are multiple formats to choose from. We are looking specifically at changing them to pre-multiplied, but we can look at the other options there as well. When you go to any video event on the Vegas timeline, you can right-click it and choose Properties, go to the Media tab, and you will see that there is an alpha channel option. The main channels that we typically look at are none, straight, pre-multiplied, and pre-multiplied dirty. And these are the four that we are going to look at that can be set by a script. Right now this one is set to none, which is obvious for this particular case, but we're going to show how it could be set to something else anyway. So here's the script we're going to look at. Once again, this is our same default script, and this is the part that we're changing to make it do what we want to do. And so we're going to go for each track, my track, in myvegas.project.tracks. We need to look at every track. Now here's an important line. If mytrack.isVideo, because alpha channel only applies to video events, so we don't even need to look at the track if it's not a video track. So let's check to see if it is a video track. If it is, then for each track event in mytrack.events. Once we have the event, has that event been selected? If that event has been selected, then we want to process it. The first thing we need to do is change the track event to a video event. So we have a video event, which I've called v-event, and then we're converting it to a video event from event. Our event for loop variable is being changed to a video event. Now once we have the video event, we need to get the video stream. So that is VS for video stream. Then I'm converting to a video stream. What I'm getting is the video event.activeTake.media.streams. Then we're going to get the item by media type. Our media type is video, and we want to get the video event.activeTake.streamIndex. Some files have more than one video stream, so we want to make sure that we're looking at the same video stream that is being shown on the Vegas timeline, so we get that from the activeTake.streamIndex. Then all we have to do is take the vs.alpha channel, and we're going to get video alpha type dot pre-multiplied. That will set it to pre-multiplied. But like I said, we have four options available to us. So suppose you wanted to use pre-multiplied dirty. You would use pre-multiplied dirty instead. If you wanted it to be straight, you would use straight. If you wanted it none, it would be set to none. So I just commented these out so they wouldn't run. That's what the / in front of it means. That means this is a comment. And so this line will not run. But I wanted to include those here so you would know the proper lines to add if you wanted to use one of these other options. So let's save this. And let's select a couple of events on this timeline. Let's select that one and that one. And we will run the script. Now, when we right-click this one and go to Properties and go to Media, we will see this is now set to pre-multiplied. If we go to this one, which was not selected, we will see that it is set to none. And then this one, which was selected, is set to pre-multiplied. And then this one, which was not selected, is set to none. So it's actually a simple little script that all it does is look for selected video events And then if it is a selected video event, it changes the alpha channel property to pre-multiply in this case, but we've looked to see how it could be changed to any of the possible values. Let me know how you like this tutorial. Give me a like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the future, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.